Welcome to our Grand Hotel.
I have a reservation today.
What is your last name?
My last name is Smith.
Let me find your room.
I booked a single room.
Yes, for 3 nights here.
That is exactly right, sir.
Can I see your passport?
Here is my passport now.
Thank you for your document.
Do you need a card?
Yes, a credit card, please.
Here is my credit card.
You are in room 5.
Is it on floor 1?
It is on floor 2.
Is there an elevator here?
Yes, right behind you.
How does the door open?
Use this electronic key card.
Tap it on the door?
Yes, tap and it opens.
Does the room have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is hotel.
Thank you for the key.
Do you need luggage help?
I can carry my bag.
Enjoy your stay with us.
I will have a rest.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I have a quick question.
How can I help you?
What time is the breakfast?
Breakfast starts at 7 o'clock.
When does it close today?
It closes at 10.
Where is the dining room?
It is on this floor.
Walk past the front doors?
Yes, turn right over there.
Do I need a ticket?
Just tell them your room.
What food do you serve?
We have eggs and toast.
Do you have fresh fruit?
Yes, apples and sweet bananas.
Is there any hot coffee?
We have coffee and tea.
That sounds like a lot.
It is a big buffet.
Is the gym open now?
Yes, it is always open.
Do I need my key?
Yes, tap to enter it.
Where can I find towels?
Towels are in the gym.
Thank you for the information.
Have a very good morning.
Hello? Is this the desk?
Yes, how can I help?
I am in room 10.
Is there a problem there?
Yes, the television is broken.
It will not turn on?
No, the screen is black.
Did you check the plug?
Yes, it is plugged in.
I am sorry about that.
Also, the room is cold.
The heater is not working?
It blows only cold air.
I will send a worker.
How long will it take?
He will be there soon.
In about 10 minutes, maybe?
Yes, under 10 minutes now.
Can I get extra blankets?
I will bring them up.
Thank you for your help.
We will fix it fast.
Do I need to leave?
You can stay inside there.
I will wait for him.
He is walking up now.
Someone is at my door.
That is our repairman.
I will let him in.
Call again if you need.
Hello. I need some advice.
I am happy to help.
I want to eat outside.
Are you very hungry now?
Yes, I want a meal.
Do you like Italian food?
Yes, I love fresh pasta.
There is a great place.
Is it near the hotel?
It is a short walk.
How do I get there?
Turn left at the corner.
Then go straight for long.
Walk for 2 blocks straight.
Is the restaurant very expensive?
No, it is quite cheap.
Do I need to call?
I can call for you.
Please book a small table.
For 1 person at 6?
Yes, that is a plan.
The table is booked now.
What else is around here?
There is a big park.
I will walk there later.
It is very beautiful today.
Thank you for your time.
Enjoy your dinner tonight, sir.
I will see you tomorrow.
Have a good evening out.
Good morning. I am leaving.
Are you checking out today?
Yes, here is my key.
What was your room number?
I was in room 5.
Did you enjoy your stay?
It was a great trip.
The bed was comfortable enough?
Yes, I slept very well.
Let me print your bill.
I will pay with card.
Here is the paper bill.
The total looks correct here.
Please insert your card now.
Do I need a pin?
No, it is approved already.
Can I have a receipt?
Here is your final receipt.
Do you have a taxi?
Do you need the airport?
Yes, my flight is soon.
I will call a driver.
How much is the ride?
It is $20 flat.
How long is the wait?
He is waiting outside now.
That is very fast service.
We hope to see you.
I will come back again.
Safe travels to your home.